Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and as you can see by the title, we're going to be learning how to bleach the knots on your wig today. Excuse me, I just pulled out an old wig out of my closet to demonstrate on, so please don't mind the condition. So yeah, I have on my blue gloves, and we're just going to get started with the BW2 bleach. You're going to need some of that, yep. Comes in a little jar like this in your local beauty supply store, Sally's, or wherever you get your items from. Also has a little scoopy inside, so it'll make the job much easier and less stressful. Also less messier, so yeah, that's cool. You're going to also need your developer. I have the 40 developer because it works the fastest out of all the developers, so yeah, you might want to try to go with the 40. Well, it depends on you, but I would rather the 40 because it works much faster. So yeah, we're just going to shake that up and get these two mixed on up with this brush here. Little dye brush you can find also at your local beauty supply store. So yeah, let's just get started. So we're going to mix the two up. Make sure it's not so leaky and watery. You want to make sure the mixture is very thick. Then you're going to apply it onto your frontal or your closure using the little brush. And you want to make sure it doesn't seam through the knots of the frontal or the closure, because then you're just going to end up dyeing the hair on your frontal or your closure. So you want to be careful with that. So yeah, you're just going to apply it all over your frontal or your closure. And most people use a knife. You could use a knife or a brush, whatever you're most comfortable with. As you can see, I'm most comfortable with the brush because it gets it on much easier and layered. So yeah, well, to me it does. But you can use anything of your choice. And that's how it looks. You just want to apply it all over until you get every square inch. Okay, so here we are again. After letting the wig sit for a couple with the mixture inside of the frontal, I then washed it out using my olive oil conditioner. And as you can see, it came out pretty good. Well, I think it came out pretty good. Well, it was better than before. If you saw it before, oh my God, it was horrible. And please don't mind my baby hairs because it has been worn a few times. And yeah, so trying to get it up close so I can show you guys the finishing product. I think I need to trim it some more, but yeah, this is how it came out, and I'm pretty impressed. It did kind of get through the frontal, but I really don't mind. It's not that bad. So yeah, it turned it kind of blondish, brownish, but it's all right. I kind of like it. It's cool.